I pull up, cut your shit for free. Acting like you gangster, ha ha, that shit is tickle
You
me.
funny.
Leave you like a mystery, unsolved and untouched.
Nah.
People that run their mouth, there's something that I can't trust. I'm only rocking with two people, and that's that FN.
Wow.
Draco, he kin to the F, you know he keep that in. Landscaping with the K, I see everything. And that bitch, she got a scope, so I see when it bang.
Bang.
I don't really talk too much, cause talkers, they can tell a lot. Niggas speaking words to the feds, you know they can't comply. Real niggas acknowledge it. Fake niggas, they let it ride. I'll put it in the deal, you know that they gon' take their side. A lot of people sleeping on me, guess I gotta wake them up. Never thought a nigga from the pine to get his paper up. Yeah, it's official, you know that I'ma keep it clear. Everything I spit, I do it, so I do this shit for real. Beefing over nonsense, it really don't make no sense to me.
Nah.
Check a nigga background, it never been no bitch in me. Got it by myself, I never asked for no hand. The quickest one to turn on you, it be your main man.
Damn.
What, either he mad because you got it all, or mad cause he ain't got it, cause he wanna see him ball.